Hello guys, welcome to learning microcontrollers. In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can download and install MikroBasic Pro for PIC. I will show you can download this software totally free from the official website, and it is totally legal to use without paying even a single penny. So let's get started. So guys, first of all, just go to your browser, write down MikroBasic Pro for PIC. Just write this down. This will lead you to the official website, this one, the official website www.mikroe.com. Click on it. This window pops up. Here he says two things. One is buy now, other one is download. Just directly click on the download button and it will start download. You have to just select the path where you want to download it. Just select the path. I downloaded in the downloads. Here you go. Now wait for the download to complete. It is going to download the setup. You have to wait. So guys, here you go. The download is completed. Now go to the folder where you just downloaded it. It's a zip file, so just move it wherever you want to install it. I just bring it here, make a new folder, MikroBasic Pro for PIC, and inside it I will paste and install it. I paste it here. And then you can either use the WinZip or you can just open the folder and extract the files if you have Windows 10 or 11. Here you go. Now this is the setup file. Let me zoom in. Now you can see this file we get from this folder. Double click on it. Wait for the installation to begin. There you go. It will ask for the administration permission. Give it. Wait, the installation has begun. Click on next, accept, install for all users, whatever you prefer. I want all the compilers, all the examples. Click on next, and now the path where you want to install your software, by default it will go to a certain path in the public documents, etc. If you are okay with that, just click on install. I'm okay with that. Now see, it is installing all the microcontrollers, libraries and supports. You have to wait. There you go, it's done. Finish. Yes, we will need the code grip. Install it. It's not necessary to have this, but even if you want to have this, you can just install it. I have no issue in installing it. Okay, the same MCU pack, and okay, click next, agree. Next, install. See, the point is they have not asked for money at any point. Like, you do not need to pay even a single penny for this version. It's a free tool if you are there to learn and for education purpose, and even to make a number of projects you don't need to pay even a penny. So only you have to pay if you are making a huge project, like the memory of your microcontroller goes above 2 kilobyte, but 2K is more than enough for a lot of projects that we usually use. So we have to wait until it downloads the additional components. There you go. All the components have been installed. We have installed the MikroBasic Pro for PIC microcontrollers and the code grip as well. And now we click on finish. Now, if you want to install the programmer suite as well, it's a small tool. Just click on yes. So I will install it because later you sometimes need these tools. They are small tools but necessary. Just click on next, 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 and finish. Okay, micro programming driver, like if you want to use a micro programmer, then you will need these drivers. So you have to make sure that these are installed if you are using that. But like me, if you are using the Picket 3, then there is no need. Okay, now he is asking, would you like to run this? Just click on yes. We would like to run it. Okay, it's version 7.6.0. That is the latest version to this day. Okay, you can give it, allow it to see your current location, but in my case, I don't have any GPS module, etc. in my computer because I am using a desktop computer. If you are using the laptop, then that will work. So here it will not work in my case. Okay, it is starting up. There you go. Now see, the interface is just like MikroC, but it is a lighter tool and have a bit different syntax. So there you go, guys. You have a complete version available here. You can just build the code and burn in your microcontroller to make it work. Now this is a total complete version. All the features and all the functionalities are available. Only the catch is that since it's a free version, you don't have to pay anything. There is no time limit. You can use it forever. That the compiling memory, this one is only allowed till 2K. If the code goes above 2K, then you have to buy. But in our case, like people like us, we make projects in which 2K is more than enough. So guys, this is it. I hope you guys learned something from this lecture. If you have any questions, please do ask. We'll see you in the next lecture. Goodbye until then.